Okay, this is Building with Papa, and I'm going to do an unpack of a bike phone mount. I'm doing this for my wife. It's Lamicall, I believe that's what it is. Armor Series. And this is the mount that goes onto the handlebars. Okay, they give you various different rubber so that depending on the diameter of your handlebar, which one you would actually use. All right, seems pretty nice. Looks like it's stainless steel with plastic and rubber. This is plastic, but it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel junky. Okay, and now the important part was my wife has a case on her phone, and everything I've gotten for her before just doesn't work well. So I already borrowed her phone. She has a case, and then she has this round thing on the back, so a lot of things won't fit, but this thing is very deep. Okay, and she has a 6S, and this fits that. So on the back here has lock and unlock, so it's unlocked, so you pull that out to get your phone in, and then once you have it on your phone, you can put it on lock and it's not going anywhere. Alright. We'll take this off. And for now, I'll just use my phone. I have a thin case on mine, so it's not a big deal. Okay, take your phone, you put it here, push up, and then the bottom goes in. You have the phone in, and then lock it. Okay, feels pretty good. This would go into here. You unscrew this. Pop it in and then screw it back on. Now, I didn't want to pop it in right now because I want to put this on the bike, and I'm going to show you how to make it work. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and take my phone out, and then we're going to install it on the bike. I like this. This seems to be pretty nice. All right, let me get the bike. You have to determine where you want to put the mount. Well, she likes to look at videos or whatever, so I'm going to set it up right about in this area, here, because I think that'll work good for her phone. All right, let me give it a try. So first thing you do is undo this, get these out, pass it over. You want to have this facing up. All right, now the rubbers all come in together like this. All right, I'm thinking I only need to take one out because this handlebar is pretty thin. Loosen this up some more. Okay. Put these on. I'm gonna have to take out another one. I guess what I should have been doing is taking out the bigger one first, not the smaller one. Well, let's take one more off. So what I'm left with right now is just the two small ones. All right. Now, tighten it up. It's too loose. Loosen it back up. Now we're going to have to try and get one more of these rubber pieces on. Now we have 3 on. Okay, I unscrewed it all the way, so now I can put this on and expand it. Let's see if you can see that. I have it around. Now this isn't even touching yet. I want it to be here. Push it. Make it a little tighter. Just a little bit tighter. You don't want to go too far. All right. Now that's good. Now it's not going anywhere. Now what you want to do is take this off. Put it on top of here, and then once you get it on top of here, then push this on. Okay, you'll hear it pop in. Now tighten this up. Now she can turn it to have her phone like this or like this, however she wants it. Okay, and that's it. Now she gets her phone. She gets her phone, push it up in here. And that's it. That's how you install the Lamicall Not Lamicall Bicycle phone mount. It's that easy. Ring, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, see you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you can.